In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear cargo door exterior door handle on a Nissan NV2500. It is located at the rear of the vehicle. After you open your rear passenger door, on the inside, you're going to have a rubber cap. You want to remove this rubber cap, put it off to the side. Inside this hole, there's a T27 Torx bolt. You need to remove that bolt in order to get the lock off the door. That bolt sits in a pocket so it doesn't fall inside the door, so it's all you need to do is just loosen the bolt, not remove it. On the inside of the door, you need to remove your door handle. You can take an interior trim tool, pop these two caps off, like that. Do the same for the other side. And you have two 10mm bolts. You need to remove those. And you can remove your handle. Now you need to remove the cover that goes around the inside door handle. You can use that same interior trim tool. Go from behind and pop it straight out towards you. If your interior trim tool doesn't fit, you can use a screwdriver. That's a tab that you're pushing down to remove your handle cover. You have 5 clips around your door panel. You need to remove those. You can use either a pick and pick on one side of it and pull it out, or you can use a tool like this, whatever you choose. The center pops up and the clip pops out. And you're going to do that for the other 4. Once you remove all your clips, remove your door panel straight out towards you. Put that off to the side. Once you remove your door panel, you're going to have a weather seal here. You need to remove that just by peeling it off the door. You don't need to remove all of it, you just need to get into this area. Your outside door handle lock mechanism is connected to a rod. The rod comes down and connects to this latch mechanism. It is this rod right here. You need to remove this clip from the rod. The clip just gets pushed back like that, and the rod slips out towards you. Once your rod is disconnected, remove your lock from your door by just pulling straight forward towards you and out. Now you want to remove this cover. This cover has a tab on the back. You want to lift that up with a pick and pull straight towards you and remove your cover. Once you remove your cover, pull out on your door handle and push to the left. There's your door handle. Your outside door handle has a notch. This notch, when you install your door handle in the slot, hooks on to those 2 tabs. So if you start that first, put it inside the hole, line up the notches. Once your door handle is inside that notch, you want to push your door handle in and towards the vehicle. To install your cover, you have 2 tabs on one end, 1 tab on the other. You want to insert your 2 tabs first, swing the cover down, and lock it in. Now you can reinstall your lock onto your door by just sliding it straight forward. Now you can tighten your T27 Torx bolt. And install your cover. Now reinstall your rod into your latch. And then reinstall your weather seal. Now your door panel and your clips. You can reinstall your door handle cover. Make sure it's clipped in. Now your interior door handle. Tighten your 2 10mm bolts. Reinstall your covers. And then always check to see if your handle works. And you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.